Hey guys, Technomentor with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to factory reset or completely erase your iPhone 12 mini to reset back to factory setting. This is something you'll do when you're giving away the device, trading it in or selling it, or whatever the case may be. You want to make sure everything is off and it's good for the next person to use. This is the method we're going to be showing you guys in this video. And to do that, it's going to be really straightforward. The first thing you want to do before you even think about erasing or completely deleting everything and factory resetting your iPhone is that you want to make sure your stuff is backed up. What we mean by that, you want to back up your photos, videos, your apps, your documents, anything that you have, your music, your videos, all of that and much more. And to do that, we did another video on it, but simply there's a couple ways to back up your device, either using iCloud backup, using iTunes, or another method if you already transferred it over to another phone. All of that methods are going to be relevant. So that's the first thing, is back up your existing device before you do think about resetting it, because once you factory reset it, and if you haven't backed up anywhere, you're not going to be able to recover that data. So before we even go through with this, that's the one thing we want to make sure you guys understand, is that you want to back up your device. Once you have backed up your device, have it somewhere else, and you know for sure that it's there. By what that means is that if you have a new phone already, you moved everything over and you see that all of your information is there, then you want to proceed with doing this factory reset. That's the most important thing, as we mentioned, and we want to mention that before we go through with this. Once you have done that, you're going to probably be signed in here. You're going to want to click on that, and then once you click on that, you're going to go all the way at the bottom and sign out of your account. You want to sign out of your iCloud account here, because if you reset it and you don't sign out, the next time the next person tries to sign in, it's going to ask them for the email and password that was on it previously. That's how Apple prevents the iPhones from being stolen, or kind of protection if someone stole it or took it away and they try to reset it to use it themselves. So that's the next thing you want to do, sign out of your iCloud account. Once you're signed out and good to go, you know everything is transferred over, you're backed up, and you know for sure you can delete everything. You're going to go into settings. Once you're in settings, you're going to go to general. Once you're in general, scroll all the way down, and once you scroll all the way down, you're going to see that reset option. That reset option is going to be bottom right there. You're going to want to click on that. Once you click on that, you'll see a menu of different reset options that there is. And the reset option that we want to do is the second one, which is erase all content and setting. This will reset the phone and bring it back to that screen, setup screen that you do when you get a new phone, that main screen where you have to set everything up. And we're going to go ahead and click on that. Once we click on that, you're going to get this notification, or if you had a passcode on it, it's going to ask you to enter the passcode. So you want to go ahead and enter that passcode. And once you enter the passcode, you're going to probably get this notification, the warning that we mentioned, that this will delete all of your media data and reset all settings. We're going to hit erase the iPhone. And then a final warning that you're going to get is that, again, like we mentioned at the beginning of the video, once you do that, this cannot be undone. So be certain that you're going to be deleting everything, and you want to do that. Once you know for sure you want to do that, you can hit that erase iPhone, and you'll get that menu where you'll see that slider and starting to do that erase process, factory resetting the phone, and everything will be deleted. This method can take somewhere between a couple minutes to even 10-15 minutes, depending on how much data you had. By that data, I mean how much stuff you had. A quick way to speed this process up, if you manually delete apps, videos, which tends to take a lot of space, photos, any documents that you had, usually those stuff, if you manually delete it on the phone, that'll quicken up the process. But again, we said make sure you backed everything up before you go through with this, as this will be deleting everything. As you can see, one time, you're going to get another time where the Apple logo pops up. You're going to wait till this one gets back to the main screen. Then you'll know for sure the phone has been reset. As you can see here, we have that slider coming up. The first one was pretty quick. The second one takes a little bit longer, where it's going through, making sure everything is deleted, all of your information you had is completely gone. And this is pretty safe. This is the Apple recommended way to factory reset your phone, so the next person can use the phone. If you're giving it away, if you're trading it in, this is something they'll require you to do, that you factory reset the phone so it's good to go. As you can see here, it's going, and you're gonna want to wait that through. And the other thing is that if you guys have a phone, make sure it's plugged in to a power adapter. Make sure you don't want the phone to die in this process. That would not be ideal, as that could cause some issue with the reset. Once you're at this screen, as you can see here, where you have that hello screen here, you're good to go, and you can go ahead and set it up. But you don't want to set it up because you just factory reset it, unless you want to set it up again. So there you guys have it. This is how you go about factory resetting your iPhone 12 mini, or any iPhone that you have for the matter of fact. Hopefully this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, please make sure that like and subscribe button for future tips and tricks on your iPhone and other iOS devices. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.